Now we will summarize the things that what we have done in previous lectures, that is pure resistive circuit, pure inductive circuit, pure capacitive circuit. Okay. So, this table will helps you to solve the problems, okay, very easily. So, summary. So, not only for this subject. So, like this for every subject you have to do some summary. So, this column representation is, for example, first circuit diagram followed by impedance, okay, impedance, then admittance, next phase angle between voltage and current, that is also very much important, right, between voltage and current. Later phasor representation, finally sine wave representation. Clear? Or we miss anything? Circuit diagram, impedance, admittance, phase angle between voltage and current. Okay, this is Z, Y, phi, and this is phasor representation, sine wave representation. Clear? Okay. So, coming to pure resistive circuit, what is the circuit diagram? So, between this we have to provide what? Single phase AC 50 Hertz supply. This is what? R, right? This is ZR. Okay. Like this, the circuit diagram for this. Okay. Between these two, we have provided some voltage. Like this, we have then again single phase AC 50 Hertz supply, single phase AC 50 Hertz supply. This is what? L, this is C. Clear? These are the circuit diagrams for pure resistive circuit, pure inductive circuit, pure capacitive circuit with AC excitation. So, coming to the impedance. So, for pure resistive circuit, it is represented with ZR, which is equals to what? Only we have R, right? Only we have R. Clear? So, for this, for pure inductive circuit, that is ZL, which is equals to what? J omega L, that is 0 plus j omega. There is no resistive part, which is nothing but, that is it. You can write here ohms, units, ohms, sorry, mhos. Okay. J omega L, clear. Now, here, or you should write J x L, right. Here Z C, which is nothing but 1 by j omega c, which is nothing but minus j x c. Clear? Next, coming to admittance, y r, which is nothing but a reciprocal of impedance, which is nothing but 1 by r. Next, coming to this y l, which is equals to 1 by j omega L, which is equals to minus j by x L, right, minus j by x L. So, this is 1 by R is nothing but what? Conductance, right. You can write conductance. This is what? Y L minus j by x L. This is what? Susceptance, inductive susceptance. inductive susceptance. 1 by XL is nothing but we can write minus J. 1 by XL is nothing but what? BL, right? What is the representation for admittance? Y is equals to Z plus or minus JB, right? So, this is susceptance. Here we have plus or minus. For inductive circuit we have negative minus J BL, that is why inductive susceptance. Clear? Okay, now we need to write like this. We have YC, which is nothing but 1 by ZC, that is nothing but J omega C, which is equals to 1 by minus J XC, that is J by XC. We can write J by XC, which is equals to J BC, capacitive susceptance. Okay, this is about YC. Clear? Then phase angle between voltage and current phi. Phase angle between voltage, that is clear. Okay, right. Phase angle between voltage and current. For pure resistive circuit, the phase angle is what? Phi is equals to 0 degrees. Clear? Phi is equals to 0 degrees. For this, the phase angle is phi is equals to what? 90 degrees lagging. So, like this you have to say. So, what is this lagging, sir? With respect to what? Current phasor. Or you can say like this, phi is equals to 90 degrees lagging, or you can say phi is equals to minus 90 degrees. Like this you have to say. Okay, this one is correct, this one is also correct. Next, for pure capacitive circuit, phi is equals to 90 degrees leading, or you can say what? Or you can say phi is equals to plus 90. This is what with respect to current phasor. Okay. So, phase angle is completed. Next, we have to represent phasors. So, before that, first we have to write. Okay, no problem. This is what? Voltage taken as reference, right? Like this, we have current. Phi is equals to 0 for this. Clear. Next, sine wave for this. Pure inductive circuit. This is voltage taken as reference. This is current. The angle between these two is nothing but 90 degrees, right? Or you can draw clear. Then for this, voltage is taken as reference, the current is leading, this is 90 degrees. Okay, current leads voltage by 90 degrees, current lags voltage by 90 degrees. Clear. Next, phasor representation, sorry, sine wave representation. For this, okay, for example, this is current, this is voltage. Clear. Next, here the phase angle between voltage and current is 90 degrees. Which one is leading? Voltage leading, current lags. Okay, or you can write voltage and current are in phase with each other. Okay, clear. Current lags voltage by 90 degrees. Clear. Here current leads voltage by, clear, no? Now it's clear, there is no confusion at all. So, coming to this, current lags voltage by 90 degrees. For example, here what is the voltage? Okay, this is what voltage, for example. Okay, then current lags voltage by 90 degree means at 90 degrees of voltage we are going to get the current waveform. That is the meaning, right? Clear? So, this is voltage, this is current. This is about the phase displacement between pi by 2. After at 90 degrees of voltage we are going to get the current, that is why current lags voltage by 90 degrees. Clear? Next, for this, this is for example current, then voltage is what? At 90 degrees of current we are going to get the voltage. This is pi by 2. This red color marker is nothing but voltage. Voltage lags current by 90 degrees. Current leads voltage by 90 degrees. Clear? So, here we have to provide Vm sin omega t, I of t, Im sin omega t, or here current lags Vm sin omega t, I of t, Im sin omega t minus pi by 2, right? Current lags voltage by 90 degrees. Clear? Here I of t, Im sin omega t plus pi by 2, Em sin omega t, or you can write Im sin omega t, V of t, Vm sin omega t minus pi by 2. Okay. This is one set of representation with respect to time domain, right, with respect to time domain. Or we can write Vm at an angle 0, like that, Im at an angle 0, right? This is with respect to frequency domain. Next, this is Vm at an angle 0, Im at an angle minus 90. Clear? Now, Im at an angle 90, Vm at an angle 0, right? This is okay. This is time domain frequency. This is the representation for every circuit: pure resistive circuit, inductive circuit, capacitive circuit.